Hey folks, I have a really cool uke to show you today. This is number 957 and it's for our friend Spencer. And Spencer was the executive director, or the director over at Manuka Retreat and Conference Center, where we have our music camp every year. And he just retired, and so the board of directors bought him an instrument. Now what makes it extra special is that the wood from this instrument is either from Manuka or it's from Spencer's stash. So to begin with, the back and sides are ash. Oregon ash, and this is just from the firewood pile at Manuka, no joke. And it's a good hard wood, really good for back and sides. It bent easily. And the top and the neck are alder. And some alder's really soft, unsuitable for musical instruments, but every once in a while you find a log or a branch that's got a real good stiffness to weight ratio, and that's what worked out for this one. This is also just from firewood chunks from Manuka, rescued a couple years ago. And then the walnut is all from Spencer's barn. Spencer's a woodworker too, and walnut is a really nice contrast to those two lighter colored woods. And then up here in the headstock you see something special. At Manuka there's a little labyrinth that you walk as a meditation, and so I carved one in the walnut headstock. So when you're practicing you can stop and you can run the labyrinth yourself. And I would use more alder if I could find usable pieces. It's a very common tree out here, but it doesn't seem to be part of the like woodworking pipeline very much, so I'd like to find some more. And the alder for a top, it's bright and loud, but it's very focused, simple tone. Some of our other woods have like a broader spectrum of tones, and this one's very focused, and I like it. It's got a roundness to it that kind of reminds me of mango. So yeah, alder. I have some more of it. I would use more if people asked for it. It's pretty nice, and I like that this is all Oregon woods. Then the finish on this is just really simple linseed oil and beeswax, going for as light and thin as possible. And I think it turned out great. So number 957 for Spencer. Cheers.